Hey guys, it's Coach Metters. I am here to talk about your first week of running, and I wanted to do it this way, even if it's a little classroomy, because your first week of running is a big deal. And whether or not you've been running consistently for the last several months or have been sitting consistently on the couch for several months, we are all starting out with our conditioning together. So I wanted to talk to you guys firstly about the rate of perceived exertion chart. And there's really no perfect way to know what each person is doing from a coach's perspective. So I really rely on you all to listen to your own bodies. And I think it is so important to listen to what your body's telling you. If there's pain, you need to listen and respect the pain so that it doesn't lead to injuries. So, and on the other side, if you are just having a lollygagging Sunday afternoon stroll, maybe you need to pick it up a notch, right? So there are different days of our week that I'll ask for different levels of exertion, right? So I wanted to show you guys on Monday, it says an easy run. And I've given you guys some notes about what that looks like as a new runner. Now, 20 minutes might be really hard for anybody to start off. So easy just means to me that you are not doing a level 10 or even a level 4 or 6, right? We are down here at 2 or 3, all right? So I want you guys to really try to find a very slow pace, because what will happen is in the first couple minutes, you'll be excited, you'll be out there, and then after a few minutes, you'll get slower and it'll hurt more. It'll hurt your lungs. So I want you to really start slow and see how far you can get. I would much rather, the idea is endurance. So the idea is to last the whole 20 minutes. So I'd much rather you go really slow and have energy left over than have the opposite happen, especially on the first day. The first day is all about just warming up your body, warming up your muscles, reminding them what it feels like to run. Let's see. I also wanted to point out that the fartlek is our hard run for the week. This should be exertion hard, okay? So when I look at that, we should not be at a level 10 for a while. We might not get to a level 10 of effort for a couple weeks, because if we start at a level 10, we will get injured, we will be hurt, we will not be ready to enter the season, let alone do a whole season after that. So I want you guys to think about this 7 through 8 for the fartlek, on the verge of becoming uncomfortable, short of breath, and you can speak a sentence if you needed to. So this is like, you're definitely like, right? But if someone asks you, like, do you like cheese or popcorn? You can be like, cheese. Okay, so I want you guys to not go full blown for the fartleks. And the fartleks are a really great way to ease into running. So running versus jogging should look different. So fartleks, even if you are a beginner runner, I would love for you to really emphasize jogging. And you can, trust me, I am an expert on jogging slower than you can walk. So just really try to keep 1 foot on the ground at a time when you're jogging versus walking has 2 feet on the ground at a time, even if it's going super slowly. But the idea for the Tuesday run is to really try to run on half the workout. So what it'll look like is I'll start off my 20 minutes with a nice little granny jog, and then I'll say, oh, I see that tree up there. I'm going to run to that. And I'm going to really run the whole time. And you want to slowly pick up your pace. And then when you reach that tree or mailbox or whatever, then you slowly bring it down. You never want to like stop your body. Let's see. The long run that might be difficult for you because it's a long time. But I don't want you to, I want that to be an easy run. So think about like taking pictures when you're outside. Maybe that day I'll send pictures on the Google Classroom so we can see what you all saw the day before Thanksgiving. The idea is just to put in the work, to do the hard things. And the hard thing is getting out there. Okay, so nothing this week should be like I said, nothing should be a level 10. Everything should be easing into the season and easing back out of our couching that we've done. And that's pretty much it for me. I just want you guys to like be encouraged and to show each other and be on the Google Classroom, be on the GroupMe. I'm gonna do some Flipgrid videos. We want to just show each other the struggle. This is not going to be like, oh, I ran 20 miles without even sweating. No, I've been sitting more than I normally do. I just went on our Monday easy run, and it was not easy for me because I haven't done that in a long time. And I was lucky I had a mishap with my headphones and I got to stop and fix it, right? So take a minute, take in your surroundings. We'll have lots of fun, different things that we'll do during these runs. But I wanted you guys to be encouraged and be excited and be goofy enough to struggle in front of your teammates. We're here for each other, and we are all about struggling. Life is not easy, right? We want to, anything that's worth doing is usually hard work. And it may not be the sexiest thing in the world. It may not be the funnest moment of your life, but what I always feel is encouraged by myself, and I always feel my best when I've put in hard work. I never want to do it beforehand, but afterwards I'm always thankful to myself. So let me know if you guys have questions about this workout, and please, I don't know, struggle in front of each other. It'll be a lot more fun if we share what we're going through. So, all right, girls, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.